Students, it's revision time. What do you mean by lithosphere? How many sphere you can divide the earth? We can divide the earth in 4 sphere. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. What do you mean by lithosphere? The sphere of land is called lithosphere. What do you mean by hydrosphere? The sphere of water is called hydrosphere. What do you mean by atmosphere? The sphere of air is called atmosphere. And what do you mean by biosphere? The narrow zone where all the 3 spheres come in contact with each other is called biosphere. Now tell me the name of continents in sequence. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent and it comprising of about 29.6% of Earth's total area. Name the second largest continent, that is Africa. How many lines of latitudes are there? There are 5 lines, important lines of latitude. Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. These are 5 main lines of latitude. What do you mean by latitudes? Horizontal imaginary lines are called latitudes. They run from east to west. And what do you mean by longitude? Vertical imaginary lines are called lines of longitude. They run from north to south. Which is the largest line of latitude? Equator is the largest line of latitude. It divides the earth into 2 halves. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now, do you have an idea of isthmus and strait? In my next video, I'll show you what is isthmus, what is strait. I'll show you the continents. So many things I will tell you. Now tell me that how many lines of latitude crosses Africa? Africa is the only continent where 3 important lines of latitude crosses: Equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Name the smallest continent or name the island continent or name the continent which completely lies in southern hemisphere. It is Australia. It is Australia. Name the largest river basin in the world. Amazon basin. Longest mountain range? Andes. Okay. Now, 2 most populous countries of Asia China and India. You know, Australia is also known as Oceania. Now, name the largest plateau. Name the largest plateau. Name the highest plateau. The plateau of Tibet is called the roof of the world. What is plateau? Plateau is an upland with rugged surface. It is like a tableland, uplifted from its surrounding. Do you have an idea of old and new mountains? Old mountains are those which have been worn down by the forces of nature and do not have sharp peaks. You know, mountains have peaks. This is peak. But old mountains have no peaks. They are this way. This part is worn down due to wind, heat, वाटर, रेनफॉल, वो घिसते रहता है ऊपर का हिस्सा और धीरे धीरे वो इस शेप में आ जाता है. यहाँ से भी घिसा और ऊपर से भी घिसा और पीक कट गया. इस तरह का बन गया माउंटेन रेंज. तो ओल्ड माउंटेन्स, गिव सम एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ओल्ड माउंटेन्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Aravalli range in India, Ural mountains in Russia, Appalachian in USA. दूसरे तरह से भी पूछ सकता है. नेम एन ओल्ड माउंटेन ऑफ USA. You will write Appalachian. Name some old mountain of Russia, Ural mountain. Name an old mountain of India, Aravalli range. Then what are young mountains? Young mountains were formed during the recent phase of mountain building, about 25 million years ago. ये नए कहलाते हैं, बट कितने साल पहले बने हैं? 25 million years ago. They are very high and their sharp peaks are covered with snow. Then give some example of young mountain. Himalayas in Asia, Alps in Europe, Andes in South America and Rockies in North America. Next day I'll give you some important clue or important ideas about map. In map so many things I'll tell you.